Off you go then.
Alright, Ian.
One fair order, we're coming out, yeah. Let's go and have a look at Crazy Cajun.
Here we go.
Energy Rush. This is built by Sam Ward, manufactured in 1979. Today we're down at Moreton in the Marsh Mob Fair. So let's go and have a look. Fair hasn't quite open yet, so we're just going to wander around. We've got all the usual suspects down here today. We've got the main man, he's sat over there. Thumbs up for the channel. Hey. Right, so
Maxwell.
we got Maxwell in the pay box.
Maxwell. Don't turn your
He's
head.
hiding, he don't want to know, he ain't looking. He's camera shy. So let's just go up and have a look inside it before it opens. So make sure, oh, have you turned it off?
No, it's on.
It's still on?
Yeah.
Come on then, you got to follow me.
Wait, no, I gotta go walk my fish a minute.
You got to go and walk your fish?
Yeah.
How can you walk a fish?
Gotta go take a walk, haven't I?
Let's just go and have a look up inside then, and you can see what it looks like. There you go. This is that's what the staff are like on this ride. Slippery when wet. Right, so that's a quick look at your Crazy Cage. A rather unscheduled POV there. Nothing to do with me. But we'll be seeing more of this ride on the main vlog down at Moreton in the Marsh. Keep your eyes open for that one on the channel.